For this video, I'll be using my scrap yarn and my 4mm crochet hook. To start off, make your slip knot and make a chain of 21. So once you have your 21 foundation chain, make your first double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. And continue doing 1 double crochet until you reach the last chain. On your last chain, we're going to make our double crochet and we're going to add 2 more for a total of 3 double crochets on that last chain. And we're not going to make a turn, instead we're going to work across our foundation chain. One double crochet in each chain across. On our last chain, since we already have 2, this is our chain 3, our turning chain and the first double crochet, we're just going to make 1 more double crochet and we're going to slip stitch on the turning chain. Chain 2. Our chain 2 will not count as a stitch, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the same chain. This is a repeat, 1 double crochet in each of our chain. So repeat your 1 double crochet in each of the chain until you reach the beginning, and then we're going to slip stitch and move up on our 3rd round. Now you're ready to slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. So we're just going to repeat our double crochet round until you have a total of 7 rounds. So chain 2, your chain 2 will not count as a stitch, and then make 1 double crochet on the same chain. Then make 1 double crochet around. Repeat round 2 until you reach 7 rounds of double crochet. So now we are done with our 7 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now to do our 8th round, we are going to chain 4. This chain 4 will be 1 double crochet and a chain of 1. So we're going to skip 1 chain and 1 double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet on the next, chain 1. So this will be the repeat for round 8. And we're going to slip stitch, leaving one chain in between. For round 9, chain 2. Our chain 2 will not count as a stitch, so make one double crochet again and then on that very first chain, one double crochet on the chain 1 space, one double crochet on top of the double crochet. So that will be our repeat: one double crochet on top of the double crochet, one double crochet on the chain 1 space. And again, when you're done, slip stitch on top of that first double crochet. And for the next round, and this will be our last double crochet round, chain 2, one double crochet on the same chain, and repeat one double crochet around. And again, slip stitch to finish your round. For now, I'm going to cut my yarn and I'm going to change color. If you don't want to change color, you can continue with your main color. So with my other color, I will just make a slip knot and I will attach on the side. Chain 1 and make one single crochet. We have 3 single crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch on both, taking both chains or loops and slip stitch. So this is just our picot. On the next chain, single crochet 3 times on the next 3 chains, So we are done. I made my last picot and I'm not going to make a slip stitch, rather I will cut my yarn and I'm going to take my yarn needle and we're just going to sew in our end. So we are almost done. Take your yarn again. You can use your main color, but for me, I will be using my lighter color. This will be for the string. So just make your slip knot and chain 55. And you're going to make 2 sets of this string. So continue doing your chain 55. So once you have your 2 strings of chain 55, take your yarn needle and we're going to string this one, alternating in and out, around. The same thing with the other one. And now we are done with our very simple, quick and easy pattern for our drawstring. This is perfect for your gift ideas. You can put your jewelries on, your watches when you're traveling. And so thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.